Pluto, a far-off and secretive divine body, was once viewed as an undeniable planet inside our nearby planet group. It was viewed as an indispensable individual from the Planetary family until later noteworthy declarations by notable astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku brought Pluto back into the spotlight. These regarded researchers have made an astounding case. Pluto may be on an impact course with Neptune. However, how should such a remarkable event unfurl? What might be the repercussions of such a huge event? Are we noticing a noteworthy, inestimable oddity? Or is there more to this potential heavenly event than meets the eye? Join us as we investigate the conceivable results of a speculative Pluto-Neptune crash. Pluto, initially named a planet and later reimagined as a dwarf planet, continues to interest and charm the curiosity of stargazers and scientists across the vast expanse of the universe. Research led by leading space specialists demonstrates that Pluto's orbit is hazardously close to Neptune's. Prestigious astrophysicists like Tyson and Kaku have raised concerns about the risks of a possible impact between these two grandiose bodies, which could present critical dangers to Earth. But how should such a horrendous situation develop? Pluto's orbit around the Sun is distinct from that of any other planet in the nearby planet group, requiring a surprising 248 years to complete a single orbit. This implies that since its discovery in 1930, Pluto still hasn't completed even one full orbit around the Sun. Yet, the curiosity doesn't end there. Pluto's orbit is characterized by an unusual shape, notably different from the almost circular orbits of the major planets. Adding to its flightiness is Pluto's 17 degrees inclination relative to the ecliptic plane, making its orbit far more eccentric compared to the other planets. This inconsistency presents extra complexity to Pluto's orbital behavior. Quite possibly one of the most captivating aspects of Pluto's orbit is its interaction with Neptune. For about 20 years during each orbit, Pluto in reality crosses inside Neptune's orbital path, opposing assumptions based on their positions within the solar system. This normally raises the obvious question: why hasn't Pluto slammed into Neptune yet? The explanation lies in the gravitational interactions between other planets in the system. The investigation of Pluto's orbit began following its discovery. Initially, astronomers were confused by Pluto's erratic path. Unlike other planets, whose orbits align closely with the ecliptic plane, Pluto's path stood out due to its steep inclination and unpredictable shape. The mystery surrounding Pluto's orbital behavior can be understood through a concept known as the three-body problem in celestial mechanics, which seeks to figure out the movement and interactions of three objects: Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun, under their shared gravitational influence. This concept is much like predicting the future positions of these objects based on their current locations and how they influence one another. For Pluto, this problem demonstrates how the Sun, Neptune, and Pluto's orbits interact in a highly complex way. Significant terms like libration, oscillatory libration, and VSK wobbling are fundamental in solving this puzzle. Researchers speculate that the stability of planetary orbits is a consequence of libration. In the case of Pluto and Neptune, when Pluto crosses Neptune's orbit, their overall positions are counterbalanced by about 90 degrees, preventing their orbits from aligning and resulting in a collision. Libration, which refers to the vertical oscillation of a celestial object within its orbit, ensures that Pluto remains well above the plane of the orbits when it approaches Neptune or another large planet, providing further protection from potential crashes. Another significant factor in this delicate balance is the VSK wobbling, named after the scientists who first studied the motion of objects in space. The VSK wobbling describes how the gravitational forces from Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun influence the movement of each body. This intricate gravitational dance ensures Pluto's orbit remains stable, even when it follows an unusual trajectory close to the Sun. The VSK wobbling is crucial in maintaining Pluto's orbital stability. This highlights the need for ongoing investigation into the forces that shape our solar system, as the study of Pluto's orbit and its interactions with other celestial bodies progresses. It remains essential for expanding our understanding of the broader universe. Pluto's situation exemplifies the complexities of orbital resonance, where celestial bodies' movements are unpredictably interconnected. The 2:3 orbital resonance between Pluto and Neptune ensures that despite their orbital paths crossing, a crash is avoided. This gravitational balance has preserved Pluto's orbit for billions of years, showing how forces within chaotic systems can lead to steady and predictable outcomes. The significance of this resonance cannot be overstated. It serves as a key principle in celestial mechanics, demonstrating that even the most complex orbital behaviors can reach a harmonious balance through gravitational impacts. Understanding resonance extends beyond Pluto and Neptune's interaction to the broader dynamics of the planetary system. The interactions between planets, moons, and other objects are critical for maintaining solar system stability. Jupiter's role is crucial in the solar system's overall stability. Its enormous gravitational influence acts as a shield for smaller bodies like Pluto, preventing them from being ejected or crashing into other objects. Jupiter's gravitational pull also extends beyond Pluto, affecting the orbits of asteroids, comets, and other small bodies in the outer solar system. This interconnectedness shows how gravitational forces between celestial bodies cooperate to maintain balance within the planetary system. Some scientists even speculate that Jupiter's gravitational power might have played a role in securing Pluto's position in its orbit, keeping it from being ejected from the solar system entirely. This emphasizes the importance of understanding each planet's role in shaping the solar system's overall structure. The study of Pluto's orbit and its interactions with other planets highlights the dynamic nature of space. While mathematical models and simulations provide valuable insights into celestial behavior, they also reveal inherent uncertainties in predicting long-term motions. Minor changes in initial conditions or slight deviations in gravitational forces can yield dramatically different outcomes over time. This uncertainty underscores the complexity and unpredictability of space, highlighting the need for continuous observation and investigation. Examining systems like Pluto provides essential lessons about the balance of forces that govern the movement of celestial bodies. The stability of Pluto's orbit, despite its anomalies, speaks volumes about the power of gravitational forces and the automatic nature of orbital mechanics. As space exploration continues, it becomes increasingly clear that understanding the delicate interaction of these forces is vital for uncovering the broader dynamics that govern both our solar system and the universe at large. As the study of Pluto's orbit and its dynamic connection with other heavenly bodies continues, it sheds light on the underlying principles that govern the behavior of the entire solar system. The fact that Pluto has survived and maintained its orbit for billions of years despite its seemingly erratic path demonstrates the remarkable capability created by gravitational interactions. These interactions help preserve the order of the universe, even when objects like Pluto appear to be on an erratic course. The importance of this balance cannot be overstated, as it plays a central role in preventing catastrophic events within the solar system. Moreover, the research surrounding Pluto's orbit highlights the complexity of space exploration and the need for constant monitoring. Although Pluto's trajectory seems stable today, future changes in gravitational influences could cause unexpected shifts. Astrophysicists, including experts like Tyson and Kaku, continue to emphasize how interconnected the movements of celestial objects are and how understanding these connections is crucial to predicting the fate of our solar system. In fact, they argue that even minor gravitational disruptions can lead to significant long-term effects, highlighting the delicate nature of cosmic equilibrium. One of the most fascinating aspects of this ongoing study is how Pluto's orbit provides a practical example of gravitational resonance in action. The 2:3 resonance between Pluto and Neptune is a clear illustration of how two objects can share overlapping paths without crashing due to the stabilizing forces at play. Such resonances are not unique to Pluto and Neptune. Similar relationships occur between other planets and their moons, as well as among asteroids and other objects in the solar system. These orbital resonances prevent chaos by ensuring that objects continue on their defined paths without disturbing one another. Furthermore, Jupiter's role in maintaining the stability of Pluto's orbit cannot be ignored. Jupiter, with its immense gravitational field, acts as a stabilizing force, preventing Pluto and other objects from straying too far from their paths. Jupiter's influence extends far beyond Pluto, affecting many bodies in the outer solar system. Its role in stabilizing the solar system emphasizes the interconnectedness of these massive objects. Without Jupiter's gravitational pull, Pluto's orbit could have been more susceptible to disruption, potentially even leading to its ejection from the solar system entirely. This reinforces the idea that the solar system operates as a sensitive and finely tuned system, where every planet and moon plays a specific role in maintaining overall stability. While these gravitational interactions help maintain the solar system's equilibrium, they also raise important questions about the long-term evolution of planetary orbits. The fact that Pluto's orbit remains relatively unchanged despite its irregularities demonstrates the automatic nature of celestial mechanics. It suggests that even turbulent systems, when left undisturbed, can achieve stable harmony over time. However, this stability is not guaranteed, and slight changes in the gravitational forces acting on Pluto or other objects could potentially alter their paths. This possibility underscores the importance of continued observation and modeling to understand the forces shaping the solar system's future. The ongoing study of space, particularly through the work of researchers like Tyson, helps us gain a deeper understanding of how celestial bodies interact. Their work helps refine our models of orbital mechanics and predict how planets, moons, and other objects will behave over time. These predictions provide valuable insight into the broader dynamics of the solar system and even beyond, into the wider universe. The study of objects like Pluto allows scientists to see how gravitational forces can govern the movements of celestial bodies over vast periods, ultimately revealing the interconnectedness of the universe. Moreover, the potential for changes in Pluto's orbit in the distant future, whether from the impact of other planets, shifts in gravitational forces, or other unforeseen factors, reminds us of the unpredictable nature of space. Indeed, even the most stable systems can undergo changes over time. As we continue to explore the universe, we must remain open to new discoveries and recognize the limits of our current understanding. The study of Pluto and other distant objects provides valuable lessons in both the stability and eccentricity of the universe. In this context, it is important to note that while the potential for a Pluto-Neptune crash seems improbable, it is a reminder that large-scale events can unfold in unexpected ways. The possibility that Pluto's orbit could change, even after billions of years of stability, illustrates the ever-evolving nature of the universe. As astrophysicists continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, they highlight how gravitational interactions can both stabilize and potentially disturb the paths of celestial bodies. The complexities of Pluto's orbit offer an intriguing look into the dynamics of space. By studying the interactions between Pluto and Neptune, scientists can better understand the forces that shape our solar system, as well as other planetary systems across the universe. These insights help us appreciate the fragile balance that governs the movement of celestial bodies and the ongoing processes that influence their behavior. They also underline the importance of continued investigation and research, as our understanding of space is always evolving. Pluto's orbit, with its intricate connections to Neptune, Jupiter, and other planets, serves as a perfect example of how gravitational forces work within the solar system. While Pluto's orbit remains stable for now, the ongoing study of its path reveals the complexities and uncertainties that shape the universe. The possibility of a future Pluto-Neptune crash, although unlikely, serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of space. By studying Pluto and other celestial objects, we gain a deeper understanding of the forces at play in the universe, which in turn helps us predict the future behavior of other planetary systems, ensuring that our knowledge of the universe continues to grow and evolve. Of celestial mechanics. The complex relationships between gravitational forces, orbital patterns, and resonances play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our solar system. By continuing to study objects like Pluto and Neptune, scientists not only gain insights into their specific dynamics, but also develop a broader understanding of the interactions that govern planetary systems at large. Pluto's orbit, despite its eccentricities, is a remarkable example of how seemingly chaotic or irregular patterns can find stability through gravitational forces. The key to Pluto's ongoing stability is its resonance with Neptune. This 2:3 resonance means that for every 2 orbits Pluto completes around the Sun, Neptune completes 3. This synchronization ensures that although their paths intersect, they never collide. The forces involved in this resonance prevent an impact from occurring, keeping Pluto and Neptune in a delicate, yet stable, orbital dance.